Well, hello again everybody, long time no see. Well, as it's lockdown, we've been on lockdown since 6th of November, but Monday, today being Saturday, they were due to lift it, but it's been extended now over here in Corfu indefinitely, and not only extended, but you're only allowed out of the house for 2 hours a day at a time if you have a movement order, which you write out yourself, or telephone, and different ways of doing it. But the bottom line is, we have very few cases in Corfu. They should give the islands dispensation, depending upon how many cases they have. Okay, well, this is a video about a little lockdown exercise walk. Wife and I, we go every day for 20 minutes, and we go around the little back alleys and up in the hills where we live, which is nice. So this is a part of Corfu that you'll never see, through the olive groves, and you don't see it as tourists because nobody ever bothers to come up in the hills and do the small little back alleys, well, back tracks I should say. Hope you enjoy it. It's only a short one, 20 minutes, and something to see, something to do. What else is there to do at my age? And good luck. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. View from my patio. Sun shining. Temperature about 8 degrees, 10. The sun's shining today, and the Albanian mountains are tipped with snow, which is like a big radiator for the cold. When I did most of this video yesterday, it was a bit rainy and cloudy. Today the sun's shining, but still chilly. But who cares? We're in Corfu. Look at that, January, and we've still got oranges on the trees. That can't be bad. Even the walls are falling down with the rain we've been having. Been doing that for years though. Oh, small little place up there hidden in the olive groves. Everywhere nice and green. Mrs. Corfual having a walk in the front of me. Normally make a walk behind, but of course this is modern times. It's fun when the wind blows this old tree down onto the road. Another Englishman's house. And this is what olive groves look like when they're neglected. This is a working olive grove. Old Greek house. This place has been empty for years. The old woman died, unfortunately. Sneaky little footpaths going off into the olive groves. I often wonder where they go, you know. A bit of pruning going on here a little bit. Another building hidden in the olive groves. Working olive grove again. A long way down there. Glad I'm too old to do it. Someone converting an old ruined house. This used to be a lovely little house until it all collapsed. Been empty for 30 years as far as I know. Oh, and we're coming up to the local church. And this is our local church, Greek Orthodox. We're going to go up a sneaky back road. More old houses. Local Cafe Neon was. This used to be the Cafe Neon. Been empty for a little while, as you can see. Amazing what you can see when you get off the beaten track. All these old houses. That's a nice solid house, that. Don't like the look of this, it looks slippery. Where are we going? I don't know. Just think this was a lovely house before the roof caved in. Sorry you can hear me gasping for breath, but I'm nearly 80 years old and it's a bit of a climb. nearly to the end of the steps, thank God. That's the end of the path.
Go on, do it.
Hello everybody. Over there, the darker, that's the Albanian mountains. Just getting snow on the tops. And now we're on the way back to the house. Inside one of the derelict buildings. Now this is an old olive press. That stone used to be upright and a donkey attached, and it would go round and round in circles, pulled by a donkey grinding the olives. Now of course it does nothing. But this is what the old houses can be made to look like. Hate it. Spain. And we go to the right past the sign and up to my humble abode. And here I am back home again.
Cheers.